Hey guys, we just picked up some nukes from the bee place in, what is that, Sarasota?
No, Somerset.
Somerset, something, I don't know. And now we're gonna show you how we put nukes into their new hives.
Woohoo!
Stay tuned.
So,
Take some out, right?
we got 4 frames we need to take out.
Did you have 3? We have 3 drawn out.
Well, we can use the drawn out one on something
Probably
else.
just drawn out. Okay. Cool.
We'll give it a little smoke there.
We'll grab this one.
Oh, he has 5 frames in there. So we're going to have to take one more out.
It's real windy. What does he have the toothpick in there for?
It's a bite treatment
Ah.
strip. That's a solid nuke right there.
Sorry, bees. Okay.
What happened?
Can you move that?
Which frame?
The frame closest to the bee.
Put it in with. God, it's so windy.
Let me just shake the other bees in there.
Yeah. Go ahead. Remember how we said bees that are from a nuke are super friendly?
These aren't so friendly.
I am going to take my gloves.
Getting stung, guys.
So windy. Very irritated. You lost the needle. You need the top.
There you go. That's how we do it.
Now we gotta feed them.
There you go.
Do you need eyes?
Now I can watch.
Okay.
So they calm down once they get fed.
They'll calm down once they realize what's going on. They've had a big day, you know.
Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna do that 5 more times.
Exactly. Just that exact process. So fairly easy. Because the wind isn't cooperating, it's a little harder today, but
Makes them a little more agitated. There's tons of bees around. Alright.
that's that. Now we close her up.
Go.
Hey guys!
Greetings.
We just finished up. We got all of our nukes into their new homes.
They were
hives.
a little angrier than we anticipated.
Yeah, the
things.
Yeah, but all things successful. We did one more split. So we got, how many splits today, Dad? 5?
Yes, 4.
4. Got 4 splits. We got 4 new hives, and additionally the 5 nukes that we got today. So our total is up to 16, which is big.
Yay.
Yay!
Yay.
Yeah.
Well, that's it.
Come back soon.
Thanks,
Bye.
everybody.